Hello everyone! Welcome to this science experiment. Today we are going to learn about water filtration and separation. This is one of the most useful and simple school projects. In our daily life, clean water is very important. And this project will help us understand how dirty water can be purified step by step. So, let's begin. For this project, we need just a few simple things which are easily available at home. A plastic bottle or container, some cotton or cloth, a layer of fine sand, a layer of small stones or gravel, and of course, a sample of dirty water. Each material has an important role. Cotton blocks larger particles, sand traps smaller dust, and stones give support and help in further cleaning. First, we cut the plastic bottle and set it up like a filter. Cotton goes in at the bottom. On top of that, we add a layer of fine sand. Then we put the stones. Now, our filtration model is ready. We slowly pour dirty water into the top. You will see that the water passes through the stones, then the sand, and finally through the cotton. Step by step, the impurities get trapped in each layer. This is called the filtration process. Look at the result. The water collected at the bottom looks much cleaner compared to the dirty water we started with. This is a simple demonstration of separation of mixtures. It shows how unwanted solid particles can be removed from liquids using filtration. The same principle is used in water purifiers and treatment plants. Thank you for watching this water filtration and separation project. I hope this explanation helps you in your school experiments, science exhibitions, or even if you just want to try it at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting science projects. See you in the next video.